matters climate change, a section of social movement organizations in the country have criticized the ongoing climate change conference COP27 in Sharma El-sheik in Egypt, saying it will not yield much in combating climate change. Kenya Peasants League Secretary General David Otieno accused the world leaders of giving beautiful speeches and announcing fancy commitments and targets, while behind the curtains, governments across the world are still refusing to take any concrete action towards climate change.
We keep on fighting for our rights.
5 social movement organizations led by Kenya Peasants League have come out to criticize the ongoing COP27 in Sharma El-sheik Egypt for turning into what they have termed as a public relations exercise.
It's not going to yield much in terms of combating climate change in the first place, because the people who are sitting there are actually the people who are causing climate change.
With the event regarded as one of the most important climate change conference, the organizations claims the meeting, which has been done 27 times, has never addressed global emissions.
What is worrying us as a movement is that 30 years since the United Nations Convention for Fighting Climate Change was signed, the global emissions have doubled to around 40 gigatons. We have had 26 COPs, but those COPs have not addressed the global emission. Instead, they have doubled.
Led by Kenya Peasants League Secretary General David Otieno, they claimed powerful corporations have hijacked the COP27 meeting, offering false solutions to solve climate change.
Already, the global emissions have doubled. Yet, we are seeing industrial countries saying that they need more time. Over 70% of electricity in the US is coal-based. The same to Europe, the same to those other countries. What we should be hearing from Sharma El-sheik is facing out coal, but not facing down.
In efforts to fight climate change in the country, the organizations want the government to immediately reinstate the ban on GMOs, stop importation of goods including chemical fertilizers and pesticides that are produced by industries that are coal-based.
GMO is one of the contributors of climate change. So we cannot say that we are going to solve a problem when we know very well that we are going to add to the problem that is at hand. So we are asking the president to also reconsider his decision on the issue of the GMO.
Ikiwezekana kabla tujamaliza miezi mitatu to make sure kwamba tumepambana na hiyo mambo ya GMO kama wananchi wa kawaida.
Ben Chumba, Lunchtime News.